Hey class, welcome back to my basement. We're still doing exponent rules, so we're working with powers still. Instead of multiplying this week, we're going to divide them. There's two steps to this. We simplify the large numbers, which we can't always do, and then we cancel out the letters. I'm going to do question 1, 2, and 3 for you. I want you to do the rest of the worksheet. I'm not going to mark too harshly this week, so just try every question and you will get some marks for it. The easiest way, I think, to do this, there might be a quicker way, but the easiest way is when you see R3, write it out like this. 3 R's. Alright? And then I've just got the same thing on the bottom. Now that I've done this, I can look at my two steps. Simplify the large numbers. Like I said, I can't do that here. 3 and 2, they can't be cancelled down any further. They don't simplify as a fraction. And then cancel the letters. Whatever you do on the top, do the same on the bottom. So if I get rid of 1 R on the bottom, I get rid of 1 R on the top. And I can't do any more, can I? There's no more R's to get rid of on the bottom. So I've got 3 RR on top and just a 2 on the bottom. Now, the 2 R's, I am going to write them as R squared in my final answer. And I think that's the easiest way to do this. Take your letters, split them up like this when you can, cancel them out, and then just try and write it with the power at the end so that everyone understands what you mean. If you just have a bunch of letters, it might look a bit weird. Let's do the same thing with number 2. 7 KK, and then I've got a 4 and I've got 3 Ks on the bottom. And now I'm going to cancel first, though. I want to simplify those large numbers. I can't do that here. 7 and 4, again, they don't simplify, they don't divide. So I'm just going to leave those as they are in my answer. But now I can even cancel some of those Ks. 1, 1, 2, 2. Same thing on top as bottom. They've both gone on the top. I've only got a 7, but I've got 1 left on the bottom. And that's my final answer. Let's do it one more time for number 3. Four P's, alright? There's a lot of P here. And then just 1 P on the bottom. These numbers can be simplified. So if you catch that and you say, oh, I can simplify those, you should do it. If you don't, like I said, I'm not going to mark very harshly this week. I just want you to try and do these. So 10 and 6, they both divide by 2. I'd have 5 over 3. That's a bit more than I need. And then let's cancel some of those P's. 1, 1. No more. I've got no more P to cancel. So on top, I've got 3 P's left over. P to the power of 3. And that's going to be my final answer. Alright? There are other ways to do this, so if this doesn't make sense to you, this kind of like splitting out letters, then feel free to look up a different way to do it and try that. I think this is the easiest one to do though. I think you've got 2 weeks to do this assignment. Do your best, take your time, get some good marks for it. Email me if you have any questions, alright? Thanks guys.